If you'd like to have your customers fill in their own information for your database, you can send them an interactive email that will automatically update the records. It doesn't matter what kind of email program they have. For example, let's say we want all of our sales reps to verify that we have the correct contact info for them. Click once on the sales reps table, go to the External Data tab, and on the far right, click on Create Email. There's a set of instructions. Click Next. Specify if you want normal HTML formatting or info path. We want HTML. Click Next. Choose if you want them to create new records for your database or update already existing information. We want to update their data. Click Next. Now you can choose what fields you want them to verify. We'll move them all over, but then move back flag. If you want them to see labels other than your actual field names, you can modify them here. I'll change email to email address. And click Next. We want to automatically process the replies and add data to the sales reps table, so make sure you have a check mark here. And then we do want to check Only Allow Updates to Existing Data so that new records don't get created. Click Next. Select which field in your table contains the email addresses, and click Next. And here you can edit the subject line and the body of the message accordingly. Click Next, and then click Next again. In the last screen, you can specify which people get sent the email. You don't need to send it to everybody. You can turn off this check mark here, and then just find the one that you want and put a check mark in front of that. And click Send. Now, when we look at it in Outlook, I have a new email, Update Your Employee Information. I'll click Reply, and when I scroll down, I can edit any of these fields. Let's edit the address and put in an apartment number. I can see it in blue. Check the rest of my fields, and click Send. I even have an Access Data Collection repository here where I can see the status of all of my different messages. Back in Access, I have a section right here for Manage Replies, and you can use this window to manage your data. We'll close it and open up our sales reps table, and when we look at Raul's record, here's his apartment number already updated for us. Access's email automation is a great time saver to make sure your records are up to date, or to collect information automatically instead of having to enter it all manually.